Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making homemade pizza that's sure to impress. With a perfect crust, delicious sauce, and your favorite toppings, this pizza will become a family favorite. Let's get started. Ingredients for the dough: 2 1/4 teaspoons active dry yeast, 1 1/2 cups warm water, 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 3 1/2 to 4 cups all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon sugar. For the sauce: 1 can, 15 ounces, tomato sauce, 1 can, 6 ounces, tomato paste, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, salt and pepper to taste. For the toppings: 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, your choice of toppings: pepperoni, bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, olives, etc. Directions: in a small bowl, dissolve the yeast and sugar in warm water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes or until it becomes frothy. In a large bowl, combine 3 1/2 cups flour and salt. Make a well in the center and add the yeast mixture and olive oil. Stir until a dough forms. Turn the dough onto a floured surface and knead for about 10 minutes, adding more flour as needed, until the dough is smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover with a damp cloth, and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, 245 degrees Celsius. In a medium saucepan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the garlic and cook until fragrant. Stir in the tomato sauce, tomato paste, oregano, basil, sugar, salt, and pepper. Simmer for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Punch down the risen dough and divide it into 2 equal parts. Roll out each part on a floured surface to your desired thickness. Transfer the rolled out dough to a baking sheet or pizza stone. Spread the sauce evenly over the dough, then sprinkle with mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. Add your desired toppings. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly and slightly brown. Remove from the oven. Let cool for a few minutes, then slice and serve. Prep time: 20 minutes. Rising time: 1 hour. Cooking time: 15 minutes. Total time: 1 hour 35 minutes. Kcal: 300 kilocalories per slice. Servings: 8 slices per pizza. Don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, See Bazaar, for more delicious content.